are Dormac CNC Solutions. We represent a lot of brands for the Dutch market. We go from really small to really big machines for the Spanish brands, Nicolas Correa, Boost, Gerutspe, but also we sell Hanwha Swiss type machines, the smaller machines. But our main machine sales are coming from DN Solutions in the Netherlands. We sell the machine not like a box. We don't sell the machine, we sell it like a complete service package next to it. We want to provide them with the great solution that DN has to offer, but also Dormac has to offer. And with the collaboration with DN Solutions, we can provide the customer with the total package. At the moment we are Dormac CNC Solutions. This is the main, we say the main attraction of Dormac. The machines come in here, we make them ready for customers who have special needs. And also there are some other facilities nearby. We use, for example, the Dormac, the environment system, like air mist filtration, high pressure system. We build them up here and then everything goes to the customer. But if they want to automate, we also have a solution, and that's Dormac Robotics. How does it benefit the customer from Dormac? If we're going to see it from the Dormac side, how it benefits, it's more like we help you to innovate. We don't help you to make a decision which machine fits best. We help you, how do you innovate? How do you set the next step? And for our perspective, it's called like one-hit machining. One-hit machining, we only have one chance to do it right. Here at Dormac, we do the one-hit machining concept. We have a machine, it's already prepared for the customer. We adapt it, we put on add-ons like a bar feeder. Everything is already done, so the machine, including all the add-ons, will go to the customer and they can use it already from day one. So we don't have any delays. The people are trained also for installation, but also for the explanation of the product. We really like the machines of DN Solutions because it's a good quality machine, that's one. Number two, it's the reliability of the machine is really good. All the customers that, for example, with the lathe machines are really happy with the result. It's a stable process, it's accurate, and it's for our service guys, it's a really common thing to work on these machines. So the service for us is really fast, we have fast response time, and also we can help our customers use the machine in a proper way. Dormac has a responsibility to secure the downtime for the customer, that if there's going to be an issue, if they crash the machine, it could happen. We will be there within 24 hours. We have 25 service people all around Holland, so the big advantage for us is also that you always have the same guy that comes by your facility, but also there will be the guy that will build on the relationship. He knows where the coffee is, he knows where he can find the toilet, he knows the people. So for us it's really important that we have this kind of big 25 people organization for service things into the field. I really enjoy working at Dormac because we are a really big family. We are a big company, but we also are a really big family, and that's the thing that we also want to show our customers, that we work together. If they need a solution, we will be there. And the people that work at Dormac, they carry the love that we have for the machines and the company that we work for. Our DTC centers that we have throughout Holland, Dormac technical centers, are really important for us because it's like a showroom where everybody can talk technical. So we invite customers, we do reference visits at these DTC centers that we have, and we think the technical people have to talk with technical people, and that's for us a real benefit because we are never in between. They can go into the depth because they are on the same level, and we help them and support them to make a good decision. For us it's really important to be active on service. We are calling our customers, we go near our customers, or go by our customers to see and feel what they are feeling when they're using the machine. And the customer really thinks it's a big advantage because they don't know if the machine is running well, or maybe there could be an issue that not occurred before. So we call you and we help you before the problem starts.